In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LUTs and color correction in your OBS. To adjust color correction, first of all, come to the source section and select your video source. It could be a camera or a webcam. Now click on filters and under effect filters, click on this plus icon, select color correction. And here you get these color corrections, all options. You can just increase these gamma for your video. You can increase contrast. You can adjust brightness of your video just like this. You can adjust saturation. You can adjust hue shift. You can adjust opacity. And you can just go ahead and easily color correct your video or webcam from here. Now let's see how to add LUTs in our video. Before that, I'm going to show you how you can easily download free LUTs for your OBS. You can just come to this website, freshluts.com, and sign in for free. And then in this website, click on browse LUTs and you directly jump into the LUTs library. Here you'll find lots of free LUTs. You can just go ahead and download any of the LUTs, and once you successfully download it, now go to your OBS and it's time to apply the LUTs. To do that, select the video source and click on filters, and here I'm just deleting color correction. And here under effect controls, clicking on this plus icon, clicking on apply LUT and click on OK. Now click on this browse option, and then from your computer go ahead and select the downloaded lut.q file and open the LUT here, and we can see the LUT successfully applied to my webcam. Now you can increase your amount of your LUT from here, then click on close, and that's how you can actually do it.